To other stories now, the Ministry of Education has committed the provision of counseling services for the loved ones of Delano Bennett. The 15-year-old student was swept away in a river in St. Anne weeks ago. Details in this primetime news follow-up.
It's been 3 weeks since the family of 15-year-old Fern High School student Delano Bennett has been searching for him. He is suspected to have drowned at a river in Landovery, Runaway Bay. Thursday marked what would have been Kadri's 16th birthday. His family returned to the shoreline where he was last seen. Instead of celebrations, relatives, friends, and officials from the Ministry of Education gathered quietly this time, not only searching for answers, but for closure.
It's hard. I'm not going to say it's pretty. It's hard. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. It's hard. And then from week I'm trying to decide my mind if I should even come down here. And then from morning I have this anxiety because I'm having my little headache, and then my anxiety because I'm like, today would be his birthday. I'm never thinking about having his birthday like this.
The mood was heavy as prayers were offered and tears flowed freely. Family members say returning to the location was painful but necessary as they continue to hope against all odds that Kadri may still be found.
It takes me guts to even try to come down here because it's rough. It's rough.
Why, it's nothing good to feel because the fact that he is gone is nothing good. But I thank the school and all who has come to support me and give us the strength. But it's not a good feeling.
Officials from the Ministry of Education were also present, offering support to the grieving family and reassurance that counseling services remain available.
We stand with the family in support of the search, in support of them just holding faith and having hope that he will resurface, and the family is just looking for closure. Truth is, this is one way of closure for them, and it's a journey, and we are here to journey in the process with them.
As the sun set over the waters, the family says they're holding on to faith, drawing strength from each other as they await answers in what has been an agonizing period of uncertainty. Investigations into the incident continue. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.